Hey guys, we've got the French press today. Woo! Can't wait. Gonna get it opened and be right back. And we're in. Yay! Let's pull the crazy stuffing out. And this is what we have. Look at that beauty. Yay! I cannot wait to use this. I have not used one of these yet, and I am going out today to get some freshly ground coffee to try it with, because you can't have a cup of this without it being good stuff. Yeah. Let's get in the top of the box here. Yay, bubble wrap. Thanks, guys. There's that. Anything else in there? No. That's it. So anyway, I was watching videos earlier to make sure I got this stuff right. Sorry, I've been sick lately. But it looks like I've got a few pieces to put together. So after I'm done doing that, I will be back to show you guys the final piece. Alright, so this is what we have. Thing is, I'm not quite sure if this is right, because there were no instructions. And I hope it works, because if you look, there is, do you see that top tray with the circles around the rings there? That center plate there is there. The mesh is there, and I've got it all in there right. But that top ring there is not here at all. Yeah, that doesn't look right. What do you think? There we go. Yeah, there's supposed to be another plate there, and it's not here. So I hope this works. We're gonna try it. I guess maybe I'll write the seller and see what's up with that. But you put that in there after doing your little coffee business. I'll watch how-to videos before I actually do it. And then after you get to that point, that's where you push. And it should filter it all out, but I'm telling you, it does not look the same to me. There's definitely a piece missing. Alright, so yeah, we'll write them and figure that out. Stay tuned. On the site, and this is by Pelisy, something like that. It'll be in the thing below. Yeah, the description below. So keep an eye out on that. Don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here. But yes, that base there is supposed to be like that. I don't know why the picture is different, but disregard that. I looked on the site, and that is right. So that should work. And it also came with a little scoop. You're supposed to do 1 scoop per cup. And this holds 600 milliliters, so there you go. And thanks for watching. Again, like and subscribe, please. And don't forget to get your friends to follow. Thanks.